got ourselves a 2011 Buick LaCrosse that if you try and turn the key off, it'll always say shift to park. You see that message there, shift to park. It'll always say that. Now, just so you guys know, the situation here is this vehicle battery goes dead overnight. The switch won't turn off. We got that shift to park message on all the time, or almost all the time that's going on there. This is a no-code diagnostic situation. I did a complete vehicle DTC scan with the Autel. 0 codes in a vehicle. That makes diagnosis as a technician more difficult, that's for sure. So core and premium members, be sure to check out Hands On Auto Training website. We're going to go ahead and do a little more of a deeper dive in this video, expounding upon what I give you out here on YouTube. So check out the rest here. You see that message there, shift to park. It'll always say that. And also, we have a data PID that says key in cylinder switch fob in vehicle. Says yes. It doesn't matter where you put the fob for this thing. This will say yes, but there's a micro switch down on the shifter here, right about where my light's pointing. It's really hard for me to focus in there. I'm going to try and flip the switch if I can. Get some light down there for both of us to see, hopefully. And I went ahead in there and flipped it. Very difficult to see. I pushed on it and you can see it says no, and the shift to park message is off. So this is the data PID that you're going to be looking at. The reason this is set up like this is because of the schematic for keyless entry, or should I say remote push button start versus the standard start. So you have this park switch there, so that's what it's all about. Hey, thanks a lot for taking the time to watch. If you like this content, please do be sure to hit the like button, the notification bell. You guys know all the stuff out there on YouTube. I do appreciate the support. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.